Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best shower doors that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DreamLine Aqua SHDR 3636580001 Frameless Bi-Fold Tub Door. If you're searching for an exceptionally looking and stylish frameless bathtub door with beautiful finishing, then look no further than the DreamLine Aqua Tub Door. The overall dimensions of this door are 36W by 58H inches, making it a perfect choice for small bathrooms where sliding or swing door will not work. The DreamLine frameless door will create an inviting shower space. This shower door has been built using quality 6 mm thick ANSI certified clear tempered glass that will offer you the best and long-lasting service. On top of that, the door has a chrome finish for the elegant look. Additionally, this shower door features the bio-fold design which for wide entry space while using minimal space. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 4, we have the elegant sliding opening bathtub glass shower door. If you are not only looking for a durable bathtub shower door but you also looking for a shower door with stylish design, the elegant sliding opening bathtub glass shower door is the perfect choice for you. The width of this door can be adjusted from 58.5 to 60 inches, allow it to fit different size bathtubs. This door is made of high-quality tempered glass material that is durable and resistant from cracking accident. The door is equipped with a set of large stainless steel rollers which slides on a track rail. The stainless steel rollers allow easy closing and opening. Furthermore, this door is fitted with inner and outer high-quality vertical door handles for easy opening and closing of the door. At number 3, we have the elegant frameless sliding tub glass shower door. A great way to give your bathroom a luxurious look is to install a durable and elegant frameless sliding tub glass shower door like this one. The elegant bathtub is made from a high-quality tempered glass material that is extremely durable and resistant to high temperature and any breakages. This door has a chrome finish which gives it a sophisticated and elegant look. Thanks to the solid stainless steel top rail roller, this allows smooth sliding so that the door can be easily operated by anyone in your home. At number 2, we have the Mecor shower glass enclosure hinged bathtub door. If you need a frameless door for your shower that is easy to install and also requires little maintenance, then you cannot go wrong with the Mecor shower glass bathtub door. This frameless door brings style and modern design to your home. It features 6 mm thick crystal clear tempered glass which makes the door long-lasting. The glass has a spot guard coating for easy door cleaning. Furthermore, this door can be fitted on the right or left-hand side of your shower. It also comes with a 180-degree radius pivot that allows you into and out of the bath easily. The door has highly quality hinges finished in chrome finish which provided stability and safety. And finally at number 1, we have the Sunny Shower bathtub shower door. Are you looking for the best glass shower door that will make your bathroom look more beautiful and modern? Then look no further than the Sunny Shower bathtub shower door. This door has a two-way open design which allows you to enter into the shower from the right or left side and offers the best flexibility to you. The quality of this door is nothing to underestimate. The glass which this door has is of high quality and is made from 6mm thick ANSI certified tempered glass that withstands excessive use. Furthermore, the door is equipped with a stainless pull handle which allow easy and smooth opening. Thanks you for watching guys. I liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.